how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word and make sure your writing is flawless. The link will be given in the description down below. Once you click on the link, it will take you right here. Get the add-in right here. This will allow you to add Grammarly to your MS Word. Now you have to click on this link right here. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna click on Get Started. Now we can add Grammarly to Word and Outlook as well. Click on Install. Once done, click on Finish. Once it's done, you'll be able to find the Grammarly option at the right side of your screen. Then you're gonna click on it and log in to Grammarly. Make sure that you have an account. If you do not have an account on Grammarly, then use the link given in the description down below to sign up. You're gonna log in, and after that, you will be able to use Grammarly within your MS Word. If this video was valuable to you, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos on the channel.